In today's video, I'll show you how to create a contact form in Shopify using Pagefly. This is a simple way to let customers reach out and improve communication on your store. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. Once logged in, open the Pagefly app and select the page where you want to add the contact form. This will open the Pagefly editor. Inside the editor, look to the left menu and click on Elements. From the element list, switch to the Shopify tab to view Shopify specific elements. Find the customer form element and drag it onto your page. This will create the main structure of your contact form. To add more fields, drag the customer form field element into the form. You can include fields like name, email, and message depending on what information you want to collect. Then add a submit button by dragging the customer form button element into the form. Once the form layout is complete, click on the form to open its settings. Here, you can customize the design, adjust spacing, and choose what happens after the form is submitted, such as showing a success message. When everything looks the way you want, click Save and publish the page. That's it. You've successfully created a contact form in Pagefly, making it easy for customers to get in touch with you through your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy building.